Hello, beautiful babes. It is Sweet Angel right here at my new channel all about nails called Sugar Fingers. Make sure you subscribe, tell somebody where you're hanging out at, and y'all, I have a great video today for you. Many people have asked how to grow long, strong, beautiful nails naturally. That's what it's about today. So make sure you stay tuned and let's get right into the video.
Healthy, strong nails are everyone's desire, but to get those long, strong, healthy nails, we need some extra nail care treatments. And today I'm going to share with you how I got my nails long and strong right at home with my amazing natural nail care step. If you want to know how I did it, just keep watching. All right. We're going to do these nails today. Go ahead and take off this nail polish. And today I am using Beauty 360. I usually use it all the time. It's 100% acetone, pro strength. And I know a lot of folks say don't use acetone nail polish removers, but most of my nail polishes are those tough, hard to get off, either glitters or nail hardener type products. I mean, they're just hard to get off, and I don't like to struggle, and I rather go ahead and use the acetone and wash my hands thoroughly. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And I use a lot of Beauty 360 products from CVS, so of course my cotton balls are likewise Beauty 360. Yes, they are. Take a couple of these cotton balls here. I just soak the cotton ball with it and go to work. And it usually doesn't take really long for this process to get all of that nail polish out. I go all around the edge into the crevices to get that nail polish out of the way. And sometimes I don't use an undercoat, so that's why my nails tend to be a little yellow, but we're going to show you how to kind of keep those nails a little bit brighter and get some of the stain of the nail polishes off of there. Okay, one hand down. Let's do the other one off camera. All right, so that's been completed. Now I'm just going to push my cuticles back before I get ready to wash my hands. I'm just taking, this is actually from my Ardell Wispy lashes. This is the tweezers that came along with it. But I find it great to push these cuticles back. And that way, when we use our treatment for our nails, then we can make sure that they actually get to the root of the nail, into the nail bed, to ensure that we get great growth, great strength, great length. And if you don't have one of these, of course you can use your other nails to do that, but sometimes if your nails are weak, you can actually put more wear and tear on your fingernail by doing this, depending on how tough your cuticles are at that moment. So be careful when you're doing this part of it. And from here, I am going to go and rinse off my hands with some hand wash soap, and I'll be back to show you the treatment that helps to keep your nails brighten. Okay, now that I've done that, now what I have here is a toothbrush. I know people say use an old toothbrush. It doesn't have to be an old toothbrush. You could have a new toothbrush for this purpose. We have a toothbrush, and I can say it's an inexpensive toothbrush that I got from Dollar Tree. So it's probably like, I want to say medium grade bristles. And we're going to use this to help whiten these nails up. First, I'm just going to take a little buffer here. This is one. It's really like not going to buff too much off because this one has worn down a lot. And I don't want to take too much of the layer of my nail off. I just want to get enough of it on or taken off just to smooth it out. If you have any little raised portions, just need to be cleaned off. So you can always have a smooth nail polish application if you plan on polishing your nails after you do your treatment. So that feels a lot better. Okay, now that that's done, we are going to take our toothbrush and we're going to take some Colgate toothpaste. And then we're going to take some baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, which is the same thing as baking soda. We're just going to take a dabble of that. And actually, I have some that spilled into this little plastic bag. So let me just use this little bit here. And that should be perfect. And just like you're brushing your teeth, I'm going to wet my little brush here. Put some toothpaste on it. Put a dabble of the baking soda on it. And I am going to brush my nails. We are going to do this to help brighten the nail. And try to get some of that yellow off of there. Baking soda and toothpaste, preferably Colgate or a whitening toothpaste would be preferred. Do this once a week or as often as you see needed. Once a week would be fine to help start getting some of that yellow out of the nail. Yellow off of the nail. And I'm also going to brush underneath to get those nails clean. It's always so much harder to do the right hand because I am right-handed, so I need my right hand to work with. And you can also use a nail brush if you have that available. I just did not have a good one. I think we've used that nail brush for everything but nails, but it is not worth having to do this with. And you'll let that soak for about 5 to 10 minutes on your nails. So once it's completed soaking, I will be back, and in the meantime I'll just take it and massage it onto my nails like so. And people want long nails, but it takes care and patience and time with them too. Some people do grow naturally long nails, but many of us have to work at it. Now, I don't have to work too hard, but I do like to make sure that my nails stay healthy and moisturized too, just like any other part of your body. Moisturization is important with your nails too. If you have dry, brittle nails, what does that mean? They need moisture, both internal and external. All right, about 5 minutes have passed So now we're just going to go ahead and rinse off our nails in a bowl of water here. All right, and these are my nails now. They actually feel a lot more smoother, and they did brighten up some, as you can see. So now it's time for the great oil treatment that I have for these nails to really give them that extra boost they need to stay long and healthy and strong. All right, now I'm starting with a huge bowl of water. I'm actually going to put my solution in here, and I'm going to soak both my hands at the same time to give them the equal amount of tension that they need. So we're going to start off with the first ingredient here. We're going to need some extra virgin olive oil, and this is the brand that I'm using here. There are several over-the-counter remedies to strengthen and moisturize nails. However, olive oil applied daily may give the same results. Olive oil penetrates the skin and nail to help repair damage and soften nails and cuticles, which leads to nail strength and health. We are going to take 1 tablespoon into about 2-3 cups of water. The next ingredient is Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil contains minerals that are important for the health of your nails. They can strengthen your nails, make them whiter, and grow faster in a natural way. We'll be taking 1 teaspoon of the black Jamaican castor oil. And our next ingredient, we'll be using vitamin E oil. I have 50,000 IU. Vitamin E oil is another great moisturizer that is rich in antioxidants and also has the added benefit of a very light scent. Apply it to your nails and cuticles and soak up its restorative properties. We'll be using 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Now it's time to soak the hands. This is quite oily, so you'll be able to just run your hands through here, and I promise you it's great for your skin too. So just go ahead and bathe your hands in this solution, full of great antioxidant, antimicrobial, wonderful nutrients going into your nails. And just take each one of them and massage it thoroughly. You don't have to take as much as I did, you really don't, but I just want to go ahead and give my hands a good soak and massage too, along with my nails, and let it get all underneath the nail, around your cuticles. Yes. This is a very thick solution here. And after this, I'm actually going to massage my feet with this oil. It helps to combat calluses and dry skin on the feet. And you'll see your nails being quite moisturized and strengthened by this solution. And you're going to do this for about, if you can, 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, and now I have washed the oil, most of it off my hands, but my hands are super moisturized with those oils on there. And let me just show you how healthy my nails look now versus previously. And here we go. There you go. All right, and this will help to nourish the nails, keep them moisturized without being dry and brittle. And on a day-to-day, massage your nail and nail bed with this vitamin E oil to help keep them looking great, growing strong and long. Just takes a little bit and massage them, keep the cuticles moisturized with it, and I promise you, you will have your nails long and strong in no time. Simply amazing. Love it. Hey, treat your fingernails good too, and I will see you on the next video.